Hello everyone, welcome back to the surgical canvas. In today's video, we will be discussing the modified Limberg flap. We will discuss how it is different from the classic Limberg flap. In the classic Limberg flap, we had mostly done for the pilonidal sinus where we had discarded this rhomboid tissue. This rhomboid tissue at angle of 60 degree at the corners and angle of 120 degree at the center. Now we had raised this flap which was equal in dimension to that of the edges of the rhomboid, and we moved and covered this defect. But what if the lesion site is circular in shape? Here we will mark the lesion site. Then we will measure the diameter of the lesion named A and B. From point B, we will extend a line perpendicular to this circle, and the length of the BC segment will be 2 by 3rd of the diameter. Now from point C, we will draw an arc at an angle of 60 degree and mark the point D. The length of the CD point is equal to the length of the BC is equal to 2/3 of the diameter. And now this flap is raised properly and this flap is rotated to occupy this defect. We will take the key sutures here and we will then close the wound in layers. The final stitch line will appear like this. Thank you.